Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to show some birthday cards that I just put together. I've already posted this on my Instagram, but I wanted to come on and share. But first off, I wanted to do a shout out to Rosa, who's Sun and Moon Arts here on YouTube, and she's having a challenge. I think it's a shout out challenge. I don't think you have to do anything, but give her a shout out, and I'm going to have her link down below so you can go and follow her. She does these collage art, which is really cool. I could watch her all day showing. Um, so, so yeah. So go check Rosa out. I'll have her link down below, like I just said. So I wanted to come on and share some birthday cards, and first I used the Heidi Swapp Magnolia Jane. I really love this paper line. I don't know, maybe it's because of the pink. Maybe. And I also used these stickabilities at Hobby Lobby. They were 50% off, and I wanted to use some of these girls on my cards. And I also used an oldie but goodie Studio G stamp. As you can see there, it's really simple. And here is my first card. I love this girl. I just layered some papers from my stash, and this is the magnolia in the background. I stamped that out, and also backed very simple cards, quick and easy. And then I added another piece of that paper inside. That's my first card, and the second card is this one. And I think it's so cute. These dolls are really, really cute. So they are 5x5 size cards, so I have to make a special envelope for them. And those are my two cards for today. Thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions, let me know down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks everyone.